What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 42865HYD-TK. This is going to be our brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle using hydraulic backing plates and Timken bearings. You see, this is the box you'll get it in. It's got a nice logo on it. It'll have these two smaller boxes in there. Make sure everything gets to you safe and sound. Then we have our true ride hub and drum with 8 on 6.5 volt pattern. We can see the races are already pressed in. And we're going to have our hydraulic backing plate. As we can see right here, these are ready to go. Just bolt on and plug in. Got the connections back here. The sticker on the back as well will tell you left hand, right hand, as well as this piston needs to be pointed towards the truck. And then we have our other box over here with our small parts, as well as our Timken bearings. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So with this kit, we're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And we're going to get our 2 inner bearings, and these are going to be the 25580. And they just pop in right there. These are the Timken brand bearings in this kit. They are made in the US, stamped Timken bearings. So we'll get 2 inners, and then we're going to get 2 outers, and these are going to be the 14125A. We'll just pop these in right here. As we can see, they fit perfect. So we're going to get 2 of those. And then we're going to get 4 of these grease caps. And the reason that we're going to get 4 of these is 2 of them are going to have this hole for the easy lube spindle, and 2 are going to be solid for just the regular spindle. These caps do come with the rubber plug in them. And we have 4 seals. The reason we're going to get 4 of these is 2 are going to be the 1 1/4 and 2 are going to be the 1 1/8. The thinner ones are going to be for your newer style axles, and the thicker ones are going to be for the older style. More than likely you're going to need the thin ones, but we like to send them just in case you need them. And we're going to get our hardware. So we're going to get 2 castle nuts, and we're going to get 2 tang washers. These are for our easy lube spindles. And we're going to get 2 solid washers, and these are going to be for just our regular spindles. And then we're going to get 2 of these cotter pins. More than likely you're not going to need them, but we like to send them just in case you do. So you're going to get 2 of those in the kit. Then we have your back. We have the hardware for your backing plate. Now these studs are generally going to come in the plate on the axle already, but sometimes they fall out. They're not pressed in or anything. You just push them in. So we like to make sure that you get them. So you just push it through the plate on the axle, and then you push it through the backing plate, screw it on, and you're good to go. And then we have our lug nuts, and we're going to get 16 of these. And these are the 1/2 inch. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the BK 42865HYD-TK.